I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your American Best Pictures and Videos app. All you have to do, just click here on settings. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down. So then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for American's Best Pictures and Videos. Just click on it here, or just click on search. Then here add American's Best Pictures and Videos. Just click on it here. So then you come to this list. Just click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store here. Then you search for American's Best Pictures and Videos. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if just click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.